Winners and COVID-19? Well, the question is, in this unprecedented phase of world history, and in particular of the world economy, is there any sector of the economy that still fares well? In other words, what can we invest, hoping for a profit, at a time in which we are bombarded by non-stop streams of really bad news? We all know that there are cycles in the economy, causing prices to fluctuate over time. And since, as they say, all boats go up and down with the tide, being caught in a descending phase means suffering losses. Because even the fastest boat goes down with the tide, right? So we like to compare the performance of various sectors, countries, indices, over multiple time frames. There are long-term cycles, but there are also shorter-term moves that can be very profitable to follow. And here are the latest numbers for 2020. In these charts, lines are color-coded and represent the percent performance of each security. So on the horizontal axis is time, and on the vertical axis is the percent performance. Charts start at 0 and show the price performance over a specified time period. And the securities that we include in these charts are the ETF proxies for the S&P 500, the NASDAQ technology sectors, gold, treasury bonds, crude oil, and US dollar. So here is the year-to-date 2020 performance comparison. In the first 6 months, which is roughly the whole COVID era so far, the big winners, each at about 20% profit, are the technology sector, government bonds, and gold. They are now at 20% performance, but of course the path there has been different. There's been much more volatility with the technology sector than in the gold and government bonds, which is kind of normal. S&P 500 and the US dollars are flat, and crude oil had a tremendous drop, down over 80% in April, and is just starting to recover now. The 1 month performance comparison shows the oil going up about 10% in the last month, again from the big drop that we mentioned before. And even in the 1 month performance, technology still beats everybody else at 12%. The S&P 500 gold and US government bonds are in the 2.5% to 4.5% range, and the US dollar is slightly under. And now to put things in perspective, here is the 14 years chart that shows technology as the big winner at about 570% profit, followed by gold at about 300%, the S&P 500 at 157%, and government bonds at 78%. If you like this review, please give us a thumb up and share with your friends and family. This is Outrageous Profits, a service that has been created to empower individual investors with the tool of the pros. If you want to learn more about us, please sign up for a free video course at OutrageousProfits.site/free. That's a free video course that will tell you more about who we are and what we do. Thank you very much, and we hope to see you again soon.